So, but look, I just thought I'd sneak in a vlog and upload it. Now with all the fireworks restricted. Okay, welcome to Picker Town. I'm down at Powers Lookout. We've been here, been there. Look at that view. I need 1 cup of milk. Well, 2020, it's been a bit weird. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is, what day is it? 31st of December. Of course, it's the last day of the year of 2020. Yes. And how are you? Now, I did mention on the last vlog that I wasn't going to do any more vlogs and uploads until the new year. So, but look, I just thought I'd sneak in a vlog and upload it because the last day of the year, of course. And so now in this vlog, I'm going to be putting up Pick a Town. Yeah, Pick a Town. So I did that yesterday, which was Saturday. So you'll enjoy that. So I thought I'd sneak that in as well. So anyway, I still got that Christmas tree up. Yeah, still got it going. They say, look, what's the best time? When do you, or when, and that's dark, that's better, it's better. When do you put down your Christmas tree? Yeah, after Christmas. When do you put it, do you pack it up straight away, or, I don't know, straight after Christmas? They say, well, usually I don't usually pack it up until New Year's Day, really. New Year's Day, that's it. Pack it up. But, you know, I've heard stories, people saying it should be put away on the 6th of January because it's 12 days after Christmas. Well, that's pretty right. 12 days before Christmas, you put up the tree. 12 days after Christmas, you take it down. So, okay, let's so be it. 6th of January, which is next Wednesday week. So, 6th of January. So there you go. I don't know why. Well, that's what it is. 12 days after Christmas. Yeah, anyway, and I hope you had a good Christmas. Yes. Mine was alright. Okay, Peter and I had a lovely lunch. I cooked the lunch. Yeah. So it went pretty well. So now I'm going to go into town to do some shopping. Yeah, do some shopping, get what I need. Yeah. So there's a lot of things in store coming up in the new year. Yeah, so I will be announcing that in the new year on my next vlog, which will be in January. Anyway, cheers. I'll see you shortly. Actually, since our fireworks tonight are cancelled. Yeah, even Melbourne, the fireworks in Melbourne are all cancelled because of the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. And looks like we may even get into a third wave. We don't know, because there's going to be some more lockdowns back again. So we can't go across the New South Wales border because they're blocking people from coming in from New South Wales because it's the worst, especially in the Sydney area and Wollongong. God bless you guys. So now with all the fireworks restricted, we could get God-made fireworks tonight. He may get it early, I don't know. We'll see. Because look at this. There was a storm brewing up and it's warm, very humid. That's in the north. So we might get fireworks from the gods. Yet to bring in the new year. Yeah, we'll see. God's gonna make fireworks for us. It'll be fun. What do you reckon? We'll see. Okay, bring on the fireworks. What I mean by the fireworks from God is lightning. Yes, lightning show. It's our fireworks, so bring it on. Is this the sort of lightning storm that will come? Hopefully it will get rid of the coronavirus that that is actually approaching us. So this will wipe it away, hopefully. Thank God. Let's hope and pray for it. Look at that lightning in there. We're going to get it early. It's coming, folks. It's coming. Pitter patter on the rain hitting the roof. Pick a town, pick a town, pick a town. It's your town. No, it's my town. It's everybody's town. My town. Pick a town. Okay, welcome to Pick a Town. Pick a Town. Where am I? In a little town called Whitfield. We're in the heart of the King Valley. King Valley. Yeah. Whitfield is only a small town. And, yeah. So, Whitfield has a bit of a history. And it's noted for hops and tobacco. They used to grow hops, well they still do, and tobacco they used for cigarettes, and you know, they don't use tobacco anymore. So all the tobacco's gone. Probably maybe some, but it's still around. But so now they cashed into growing grapevines, and that produces the wines, various types of wines. So it's a real wine country here in Whitfield. It's a beautiful area, lovely. You're right in the heart of the King Valley, in the middle of everything. So anyway, and it's also has a bit of history of the railway station as well, because they had a railway. The train used to go from Wangaratta right here to Whitfield many years ago, way back in the 30s. A little bit of history over here. We've got a little park here, and there's an information board over yonder there a bit. So we're just going to go over there and have a look at it, check it out. There's a bit of history of the railways here in Whitfield. Yeah. And also Whitfield is also noted for trout fishing, canoeing, better along the water rapids. So here we are, we have information right here. The Whitfield line gives you a bit of an indication of where all the railway stations are. Yeah, from here to Wangaratta. So there's lots of pictures. Yep, lots of memorabilia. So yep, and you've got a barbecue area. It's a lovely little park. So anyway, and we're gonna have a little tour around in the town, and it's only a small town, lots of hills, mountains. Yeah. We're just about to leave Whitfield, and I'm going to some surrounding areas of Whitfield. I'm going to check out Powers Lookout, and Paradise Falls. So we're going to check that out, and also there'll be some footage of the Lakeheim Hovel Dam, so you'll see that. So let's go. Okay, we're just going to go through town. Whitfield. So we're going to go Powers Lookout. We've got a great store on the left, it's a coffee shop. I don't know whether that's open or not. And we've got a pub, Mountain View Hotel. I used to sing there a lot years ago. King Valley Fine Foods. Yeah, there's a lot in store here, Whitfield. So now we're just about to leave. I'll be coming back into Whitfield, so we're going to go up to Powers Lookout. So we're going to do a bit of climbing. So I'm going to shut this off until we get to Powers Lookout. So here we are. Welcome to Powers Lookout. This is information board all about the Powers Lookout, and all about a bushranger by the name of Harry Power. He was Ned Kelly's mate. Now, I'm down at Powers Lookout. We've been here, been there, done the photos, done the filming of the beautiful view of the King Valley. So now I'm leaving, heading down the mountain back to Whitfield. So we're going to take a little tour through Whitfield. Now we're just going through the wetlands. This is the plateau. On the right there's a grapevine vineyard where I used to pick grapes. Yeah. It's actually one of Brown Brothers' division. Yeah. So we're going through the wetlands now, the plateau. Beautiful country. So there's the vineyards on the right. That's where I used to pick grapes. There. Yep. So we're pretty well high up in the mountains. And very shortly I'm going to show you a fantastic view, another view which is on the way down. Just before you start descending back to Whitfield, there's a left-hand turn, a little lane. It'll take you to a really good lookout. Look at that lovely pond. Now, I've just stopped at another lookout. Just before you come down the mountain, just before you start descending out here at the wetlands, on the way to Whitfield, there's a little siding, little track that takes you to a lookout. Here it is. Please check this out. Yeah. Okay, we're on this little dirt road. And this is actually part of King Valley, but most of it is actually Myree Valley. Yeah. See that hill up way up in the distance? That's a vineyard. Yep. I used to pick grapes there. Mount Bellevue. Yep. That's Mount Bellevue. Beautiful lookout. As I was picking grapes, I'm just looking over all this valley. It's a beautiful area. Yeah. Now, I hope you enjoyed that view. So now we're going down the mountain, heading for Whitfield. So we're going to do a little tour through Whitfield, so show you that before we leave. Now we're going to go to Paradise Falls, but we're going to do that another time. Yes, another time. And so yeah. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Look at that view. Okay, now we're coming back into Whitfield. Church on the right. And a whole heap of cars coming at me.
little golf course on the left. You want to play golf? Well, that's it. And we've got a pub on the left, which is the Mountain View Hotel. And this is the main centre of Whitfield. Lovely little town. Gentle store on the right. Got a caravan park on the left, which is actually chock-a-block full of campers. Looks might be all set out for the New Year's Eve. It's going to be a blast. And we've got a winery, Del Zolto, Darling on the left. Lot of wineries around. So if you want to get a taste of exotic wines, all sorts of varieties, this is the place to come. King Valley, here at Whitfield. Gentle Annie on the right. Gentle Annie is a caravan park down there. A lot of trout fishing down there too. So if you want to do a bit of trout fishing, Gentle Annie is the place. A lot of cyclists around, people riding their bikes. Yeah. All this is what you've probably seen from the lookout where we were, from Powers Lookout. So, yeah, we're heading north.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, hello, me, Trev. Welcome to Milkshake, Trev. Yes, what are we going to make? Now, you didn't know I was going to do this milkshake, did you? No, you thought I was going to do it next year. Well, I did mention that I was going to do the Christmas milkshake. Well, that's what we're going to do. Yes, Christmas milkshake. So, even though Christmas is over, I thought I'd do this one. It's as late, and of course it's New Year's Eve. Yes, New Year's Eve. So we've only got, well, it's nearly 10 o'clock, so we've got another 2 hours before the countdown. So what do we need? Smarties. Smarties? Yeah, packet of Smarties, or you can have M&Ms if you want to. We're going to crush these up. And white chocolate melts. Chocolate melts. They're chocolate, it's the white chocolate, really. Chocolate buttons, I believe. And we're going to crush those up as well. Milk, we need milk. We need whipped cream and vanilla ice cream as well. So the blender is over there, so I'm going to do it over there. So I'm going to crush these two up, the Smarties and the chocolate melts, and let's get to it. Now, Smarties. These are Smarties, or you can use M&Ms if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I like Smarties, I really do. So I'm just going to take a small handful, just a small handful. Just chuck them in there. By the way, I'll have one as I go. And the chocolate melts. We don't have to melt these. Just do the same. Just get a small handful of chocolate melts. They are chocolate melts. You can see them. They go in there as well. Okay. I'm going to crush these up. I'm going to find the lid. Not getting anywhere. 1 cup of milk. Matter of fact, I might give it 2 cups. I like more milk. Yeah, 2 cups really bad. Yes. Did you notice something? Yeah, what's that? Well, I'll tell you a story about that. Remember the air fryer? That's an air fryer, actually. I had an air fryer, that was a 4 litre. And I had to toss that out because all the water, I had water in a tray when I was doing the dishes. And somehow something bumped me and all the water splashed into the components of the air fryer. So out it went. So I got a new one. This is my Christmas present. Every year I always buy myself a Christmas present. Yeah. The Christmas present, the air fryer, is this. This is the 8 litre. So it's a bit bigger than the other one I had. So, and I cooked food in there pretty well. So, yeah, cooked ice cream. Tonight I actually cooked up, I air fried sweet corn. Sweet corn, yes, and they're beautiful. I'll show you how to make that later on in my vlogs. Yep. So, anyway, we've got the milk in there. Now we're going to put some vanilla ice cream in there. Okay, so now we get the ice cream. Well, I'll get a couple of scoops. That'll do. Vanilla ice cream. This one has different colours, but that doesn't matter. And we're going to blend it. I've blended all that. Put that in there. And we'll add the cream. I know someone out there is begging for cream. More cream. Yes, more cream. Now look. More cream. It's gonna pop over. Yeah, more cream, more cream, more cream. Oh, isn't that nice? You buy sprinkles, but you've got to take the seal off. Oh, look at that. So there you go. Christmas milkshake. Let's have a taste. Oh, that tastes like Christmas to me. Yes. You've got to make this. Even if it's after Christmas, you've got to make it. Yeah. Oh. Tell this world. This is really nice, really is. So there you go. Christmas milkshake. Merry Christmas from me, Milkshake Trev. See you next time. Happy New Year. It's 12 o'clock, midnight, yes. And it's been, well, 2020, it's been a weird, it's been a weird year of this coronavirus thing that's got everybody talking about. I know you'd rather forget about it, but that's the way it is. That's the way it is, and let's hope 2021 will be better than the previous year. So may all your dreams and wishes come true in 2021 and beyond. I know I'm drinking water. I can't drink alcohol. I'd like to, but it doesn't agree with me, really. So, I know you'll be agreeing, water, yeah, it's healthy. It's healthy water. Yeah, that's the best. Yeah, so I've got to drink a lot of that. And so that's it for 2020. And hello 2021. And it's been a bit funny, a bit weird not hearing fireworks from here. I usually, every year I hear the fireworks, which is down the main street, or down at Apex Park, but I don't hear them. I do hear some around the neighbourhood. Fireworks going off every now and then. Yeah. Happy New Year. So anyway, this is the end of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll be putting up my next vlog on Monday. My first one for the new year. Have a great weekend. Happy New Year. Bye. Oh. All day I faced the barren waste without the taste of water, cool, clear water.